No.
So, hey guys, me and my friend Delaney right here are doing our slime collection, and the first slime right here is a Starbucks Oreo Frappuccino with black beads in it to make it look like the Oreo crumbs. And so I'm going to show you guys the poking, stretching, and all of that. And this is a fluffy slime, and it's teal, but it kind of looks like white on the camera, if you can kind of tell. And then, yeah, so just go with the poking. Sorry for the background noise. It's but they're just cooking and they're talking really loud. So let's do some stretching, some twisting.
Stop lighting, stop it. Dude, we need the lighting. Oh wait, what do we do? Oh no, we can do it. No,
Brody, stop it, Brody!
Brody? Step away.
Okay, that's that for that slime. Now Delaney's going to demonstrate another slime.
so this is our banana butter slime, and it's just a yellow butter slime. So yeah, it kind of hardened up. I don't know why. And he left it. And so yeah, cooking. I say butter slime is supposed to, like, you can't really feel it, but this you can. So yeah, now Jaden is going to show you another one. No, do that.
No, I know what this is. Okay, so this is a
Hot
hot chocolate Hershey's flow slime. So let's show some poking, some stretching, twisting and twirling, and all that fun stuff that you do with slime. It's very crunchy because it's foam. It has some foam beads. And if you don't know where these foam beads are, it's in the foam beads aisle at Michael's. Any craft store you really go to. It doesn't really matter, but any craft store works. But I recommend Michael's is the best because it has like the best quality. It's got gallons of glue.
Many things of glue.
And it has many stuff, like, has, like, really good slime stuff. And it has, like, a really good slime section. Slime kits and all that, like, glow-in-the-dark slimes you can make. It's really fun. Let's do some stretching.
That was kind of sad.
Now Delaney's going to show you the next butter slime.
So this is our mandarin orange, I guess. Orange butter slime. And yeah, it's another butter slime. It's pretty big. So yeah.
Delaney, did you leave that on the table?
Yeah.
I'm going to finish poking this because she's got to go do something. And I should be right back. So it's a very buttery slime, and that's really good.
Okay. Now, Jaden's going to show you the next one.
She's in a pickle, guys, so it kind of sounds awkward, but. Now this is lemonade slime. It's a regular slime, not fluffy, not foam, not
Kinda
crunchy,
watery.
not watery. It's a jiggly type of slime. It's not buttery slime, it's jiggly. Like, this is the slime I use to lick my hands, but it's a beautiful color, but we still call it slime, not like...
You
If you guys are wondering what activator we use Stop Flow and Saline Solution. And that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.